Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to type percentage sign. So guys, if you need this percentage symbol, so you need combination of shift plus number 5 key to type percentage sign. This shift key plus number 5 key together. So this is the combination to type percentage sign. If you are using US keyboard and in your Windows system or laptop you are not able to type pressing by shift plus number 5, so you need to change keyboard in your system. So check out the description video. I will show you how to set US keyboard in your Windows 10 or 11. So most of companies using this simple keyboard, and you will see the symbol is written or symbol picture on a key. So on number 5 you can type percentage sign by pressing shift plus number 5. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.